On January 5, 2025, the United States witnessed a powerful winter storm that affected more than 30 states, including Kansas and Michigan. This storm, known as Blair, brought record snowfalls and cold temperatures that had not been seen in the country for over a decade.
Hey guys, Brian from G-Tech. It's kind of hard to tell that.
In Kansas, the situation was particularly challenging. In some areas, up to 30 centimeters of snow fell within 24 hours, leading to the blockage of major roads and railways. The state's National Guard was called in to assist stranded drivers. In Michigan, particularly in Detroit, temperatures dropped to minus 5.6 degrees Celsius, complicating travel and causing delays in transportation. Local authorities urged citizens to avoid unnecessary trips and stay home if possible. Overall, the Blair storm became one of the most severe in recent decades, causing significant disruptions to transportation infrastructure, the cancellation of flights, and the closure of schools in many regions. Meteorologists predict that weather conditions will begin to improve by January 6th, though the aftermath of the storm will continue to be felt for several days. This storm is a reminder of the importance of preparing for winter conditions and the need to follow local authorities' recommendations during extreme weather events.
I-70. So you can see how high it is.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.